Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Friday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Just finishing up the week, a lot of interesting meetings here in Budapest. We also had our Europa Property Signature Conference last night at the Hard Rock Hotel up on the rooftop. So that went extremely well, and a lot of meetings, a lot of great meetings for our CRE awards, our fourth annual CRE awards, which is going to take place at the InterContinental here in Budapest. Very nice hotel. We right on the river, a great place to go. We've got a lot of international and a lot of local interest that will attend the event. A lot of the big developers will be attending as well. We will have a few more events also in Budapest, covering logistics, retail and logistics, covering investment, development. So let us know if you're interested in any of those sectors in Budapest and the region. Also, the awards, which is October 20th, 2 weeks after Expo Real. We've already got over 20 retailers, international and local, on the jury, and a lot of sponsors coming up, which we'll be announcing in the next couple of weeks. So we hope to see you then. We're going to take a little break, show you a little bit about the awards, and then we'll be back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And we'll start in Hungary, where CEE Land and NAI Global have established a strategic partnership. The new company will be called NAI CEE Land, and this move will significantly strengthen CEE Land's international network and client base and further expand its international operations through the NAI Global network. And the decision, according to the companies, is a swift and decisive response to changes in the Hungarian market as local customers clearly demand the involvement of global players and new business opportunities. And according to Shazba Shell, founding partner and managing director of CEE Land, he says that this cooperation is the next opportunity for us to continue our operations in Hungary with an international background, leveraging our partners' knowledge and network of contacts, showing our existing and prospective clients the investment and rental opportunities in the Hungarian and foreign real estate markets. Moving to Slovakia, and Penta Real Estate has sold 3 projects in Bratislava. They've sold them to the former Penta co-owner, Joseph Oravkin, and who left the group at the end of 2021 to set up his development and investment company. The transaction concerns the project Sky Park, as well as office projects Digital Park 1 and Digital Park 2 and associated land parcels. Penta still has other big plans for Bratislava. According to the company, they're going to focus on the long-term nature and to develop larger projects to create quality places to live and give these locations new identities. In the west of Bratislava, they're building a completely new urban district, Bori, and at the beginning of the year they bought a large land plot by the land of Danube, where they are planning another new project. Penta's real estate division currently has 26 projects in Slovakia and the Czech Republic. Moving to Romania, and Primark is to open a store in Afi Cotroceni, which is a shopping mall owned by Afi Europe. The fashion retailer Primark, this will be their second store planned for the Bucharest market. They're originally going to go into the Park Lake shopping centre in Bucharest. And according to AFI, Primark is a perfect addition to the retail mix and entertainment attractions in Afi Kotroseni, and it's a strong sign of trust in the local market. The country's positive outlook regarding consumption through 2021 and 2022 is encouraging. Moving to Poland, and warehouse developer P3 has acquired a 29-hectare land plot near Wrocław in the Lower Silesia region, which is one of the most attractive warehouse locations in Poland, and they will build around 175,000 square meters of warehouse space. And according to Bartholomew Hoffman, he's the managing director of P3 Logistics in Poland, he says the Lower Silesia region is one of the most industrialized regions in Poland. We see here the dynamic development of the automotive, electrotechnical and electromechanical sectors, as well as the plastics production and metal products industries. Staying in Poland and in the warehouse sector, and Panattoni has started its first logistics hub for Hermes fulfillment. The investment is being built in Iowa in western Poland, and it's going to be a 150,000 square meter project and will be one of Hermes' largest hubs in Europe, and will eventually employ around 1,900 people. The company is planning to open the centre by the end of 2023, and the investment will be around 300 million euros. And according to Julia Hanbuff, she's the managing director of Hermes Fulfillment for the CEE region. We have chosen Iowa because of the advantage of its location and the state of the infrastructure. However, this kind of investment can only be made because of the openness and cooperation from the local government. According to Panattoni, the huge and constantly growing e-commerce sector is driving the demand for large-scale fulfillment centres, and the western part of Poland is becoming an ideal hub. And finally for today, staying in the logistics sector and moving to the Czech Republic, VGP, a European developer and owner of industrial logistics projects, has signed 2 lease agreements with Hella, one of the largest employers in the automotive industry within the Czech Republic, specialising in the development and production of light technologies and electronics for such producer brands as Volkswagen, Audi and BMW. Hella has leased more than 49,000 square metres of warehouse space in VG Park, Olomouc. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.